Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market is actually trying to go higher. Change that. Okay, it's fine. So what's really happening here is we are on a dollar index. Plus, we can just check our economic calendar. As it's Friday today, we don't really have anything, so which means we're gonna just trade nicely without any economic events. I think the ones that are here, they are going to be medium impact. That's why you don't really see them here. I actually, on my filter, it's only high impact news, right? So now let's just go straight to the charts and see what's really happening. Dollar index, it is still going down. It is still going down. We can easily see that, yes, from this nice uptrend, let me change the color. From this nice uptrend here, we are now seeing the market doing what? Going even down. So which means we are already, as you see, I've been repeating this for quite some time, we are on this nice downtrend structure. So that shows us that, you know what, the dollar is still losing that momentum, and that is actually good, because I think it's a good time for the Federal Reserve to cut those rates. So we're expecting them to do what? To cut the rates, and I think maybe the market will slowly continue to even continue with this downtrend. So if I try to zoom here, I think everything is just straightforward. You can see that we had some resistance, some supports there, but it's easier to see that here it was a resistance. I think the market was around this level yesterday, and we can see that now the market is moving towards our support area. So it's up to the market to break this level, but at the end of the day, we know very well that as we are on this downtrend, this level of a support, it might be the same as this, it might be the same as this, which means we might see the market going even lower, and that will make the dollar to be quite weaker. Next week, we're going to have FOMC meeting. So now we are on GBP USD. What's really happening? Quite straightforward structure. We are still on that nice uptrend structure. I've been explaining this on this nice uptrend structure. Finally, the market did actually respect our resistance area, or our previous resistance, but now you can see that this level is going to be our support level. So at the end of the day, the market might move like that, but what we know is we are on that nice uptrend, so which means the market is actually pushing up or going higher. I hope that makes sense. I think we had a buy pending order 2 days ago or a day ago, where we had this pending order. So I don't know if maybe my people did hold that pending order, but now it seems like the market will be going back. So this is going to be our resistance there. So it will be up to the market to break this level. Once it breaks, we'll actually jump straight to that. You see that? So let's push to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. This one is the one that we missed, because I never thought the market was going to push aggressively, because there was news, there was interest rates from Europe, and also the conference, plus we had PPI. So around this time, the market just broke out, and I thought maybe the market was going to play around. Yes, the market did try to come back again, but at the end of the day, the market did continue to go higher. So what do we do? There's nothing much that we can do at the moment. So what we can do here is to wait for the market to create something, so that we can actually get on the market again. So the market might give us a resistance that we can use, but at the end of the day, it shows us that, you know what, the market is ready to go higher. I'm expecting to see some continuation of that bullish move, so which means at the moment we just have to wait so that we can buy at the lowest level. So we need to buy at the lowest areas, so the market has to give us something. At the moment, we'll just have to wait and see. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. If you can check US30, US30, S&P 500, and also S&P 500, US30, Nasdaq 100, and S&P 500, they all tried to reverse aggressively so, but the structure is still showing us that we are on that a nice push to the upside. So I'm expecting to see a continuation to the market. So if we check here, you can see that the market tried even to break this resistance. We had a proper resistance structure and the market broke out of that. So I thought maybe the market was going to respect that. And indeed, the market did respect this level here, aggressive reversal, before we see this smaller breakout. So now, as it's Friday, I'll have to wait and see if maybe we will be pushing up, because I'm expecting that. I think that will be a very good idea. As the market already broke out of this level, I think the market might touch this area, previous resistance, very, very easy. So we have to have something like that, because I'm expecting to see a nice push. But from this area, anything can happen. Maybe the market might reverse, or maybe the market might break out of that. But since we're expecting some very good stuff, we're expecting some rate cuts, maybe the market might break out. Maybe. It's possible, you see. So which means I'm still bullish. So on Nasdaq 100, we also have the same structure. The market did actually, let me remove that. The market actually did try to recover aggressively. Remember last week, I think we were around this level when the market was breaking out and the market started to go even lower. So now it's like we're back to where we were actually almost last week, last week, sorry. So the question is, if maybe we draw this diagonal structure, a resistance structure, is the market going to continue going higher? If it does, it means we will end up reaching this level around that zone. So that can actually be a good thing, because I'm still expecting to see some very nice buy. Yes, we tried to buy, but the market was not actually making it easier for us, because we had some aggressive reversals. But today we don't really have economic news or high impact news. So I think maybe the market might move quite smooth, but it will be up to the market. So the best thing is to create, actually place a notification there. Around this area, it's actually a sort of a resistance. So we can have a notification around this level. If the market continues, then we will hear that notification so that we can buy. But this level here, 19,900 there, it will be our highest area that we can call a potential resistance, as you can see there. So I'm expecting to see something happening there, and maybe the market might find a resistance, but the market still has a room to go higher. Don't forget that we're coming from these levels. So there is still a room for the market to go even higher. But it's up to the market. We don't really have to fight the market. For those who don't know, guys, we still have that special that ends this Sunday. So which means we left with 2 days. So if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. Scan that QR code and talk to me. So let's push to the next one. Sorry, let's push to the next one, which is S&P 500. S&P 500 also did push higher, very nice, by the way. So you can see that it seems like we are going towards this area. On this one, we did smash, because the time we had the reversal, we had a very nice buy pending order. We had a proper buy pending order there, and the market did not really trigger our order. I'm talking about the time the market was actually reversing during CPI, guys. You see the market reversed, then after the market started to go higher. So which means at the moment on S&P 500, there's nothing we can do, because you can see that the resistance is very closer. So the question is, will the market break this level, or maybe we will see a nice reversal? So it's up to the market. We'll just have to relax. It's been a very long week, so which means we are not forced to do anything at the moment. So yes, guys, we'll be starting to add like the likes of Nvidia and other stocks that we are going to check along the way. So what I see here, it's something like that. You see that? So this is Nvidia, seems to be recovering very nice. And yeah, I think we will see a nice bullish move going further, but slowly we will start to analyze these stocks. I will add actually more than one, maybe let's say 3 of them: Amazon, Apple, Google, I think also AMD, because at the moment it's actually AI time, so we need to add AI stocks that we can actually check. You see. So now on US oil, we are still on that nice downtrend structure, but it seems like the market, it's a reversing, guys. Maybe the market will touch this level before going down, or maybe we might reach this level of a resistance before we see another reversal. I think we had a sell pending order, but the market did not really go even lower. I was expecting the market to reach maybe 63 there, but the market reached, I think, 65. So maybe that is the lowest area that the market want to create, or maybe the market is just reversing like this. We will see maybe a continuation of that sell, but I don't think we will be going lower than that. I think maybe the market, one way or another, the market will be trying to reverse. I don't think OPEC countries will allow that. So that's what I see at the moment. So for those who wants to be part of the team, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. We have a good special for you which ends this Sunday. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.